let's walk around the Fiera di Catania, the market of Catania, where there's just about everything available that you can imagine, including, of course, fruits, vegetables, nuts, fish, and so much more. So energetic, so vibrant. Come with me. €1 for all of this. It's all in the presentation. Look at this. This is my type of stuff. €1 for one of these. Si una. Okay, I just asked a guy and he said this is local okra. I've never seen it. Look at the purple cauliflowers, they're huge. It's pomegranate season. Alfred, €1 a kilo. Try to find this anywhere else. 2 of these ginormous lettuces for €1. It's bean season and Fica di India. Limone. Everyone goes to the fish market, but this market right here is also quite comparable. It's so fun just walking through here and listening to all the sounds and, boy, the bargains. And of course everything here is seasonal, so we didn't have purple cauliflower about a month ago. It's right now end of October, first week of November, and I'm wearing shorts. It's really nice and warm today. Anyway, this market is open every day of the week until about 1 o'clock. So if you're walking through here after 1 or 2 o'clock, there's some people still set up, but not everyone. And the nuts. Oh no. So far I have lettuce, lemon, mushrooms, and socks. Total spent €4. What do you think? Alfred would be proud. You can get just about everything here for the home, even clothes, cheap clothes, and even some antiques. Giorno. Electronics, sneakers, pajamas, socks and underwear. 3 o'clock. They're all cleaned up. Can you believe that was all here earlier today? And tomorrow morning they'll start again. Before and after. Imagine they have to set up every single day. Who could have imagined that there was a massive market here? There's the entrance to the Mercato. And you can find it right here behind the statue of Vincenzo Bellini. Here's the front of the statue. There's the market straight over there. And then the Roman theater is straight ahead over there. Right behind there is the Roman theater. And that right there is Via Etnea. So if you're coming here, it's really a cool thing to see. Of course, the fish market as well. This is just a little bit something different. Buongiorno. Today is November 2nd, and it is All Souls Day. And you'll see scenes like this all over Sicily. People selling flowers, and people will take them to the cemetery. It's a beautiful celebration of the people who have departed and have gone to another place. But their spirit, of course, is still with us. So that is All Souls Day. All Saints Day was yesterday. So November 1 and November 2 are holidays here in Sicily and Italy. And of course, as with always, there's all types of sweets eaten only in this period. So you've got the Ossa de Morte, you've got the Rama de Napoli. So those are all types of sweets that are eaten only in this period. And then on November 11th, we have San Martino, Vino, celebration of wine, and there'll be chestnuts and sausages. And so that'll be another reason to celebrate. So here we are at Eden Bar, one of our favorite spots. You've seen this place many times, and we're going to get an explanation of all the important sweets for All Saints and All Souls Day. And we have here Rame di Napoli. What is that?
Rame di Napoli, pistachio.
And what's inside?
Pistachio, Nutella pistachio and biscuits.
And this one?
Biscuits. That's Nutella, classic Nutella and biscuits, white Nutella, and this chocolate.
And this one over here has pistachio?
No, there's nothing, chocolate inside.
And then the other one we have here is the
Zudi, and it's almond and biscuits.
Zudi. And now some people know of the Totò. How about Totò?
We don't have at the moment,
but it tastes sort of like this, right?
Yes.
And what about Ossa de Morte? Ossa de Morte is very, very sweet. It has.
Yes.
It's a little bit like this guy, but
but on the top you have a white thing
that you can break your teeth on.
Yeah, the base is like this. But on the top you have like a white, I don't have the English name, honestly.
Okay, so these are sweets only available in Sicily, right?
Yes.
That's because we have the best sweets in all of Italy, right?
Yes.
What's your favorite?
Cannoli.
And they have plenty of that. You know what my favorite is? Right here. It's a cassata cake. So there you go.
Cake, baba. And that's called Ricci, which is chocolate. It's made with chocolate. This one on the top is pistachio and nuts.
I had one of these the other day. It was a chocolate bomb.
Yes. It's chocolate balls.
Grazie mille. Saluta tutti.
Bye.
And here's a cassata, classic cassata. Marie, you're just about ready to taste one. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Marie and her husband Ken have been on the whirlwind tour of Sicily, and today is one of their final days.
Look at the interior, how pretty it is.
It's like a sponge cake, and then ricotta, and then marzipan. Look, I love that reaction. Delicious, right?
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Buono. What's been one of your favorite places to visit in Sicily? Even though you're not Sicilian, then I'll go to Ken.
One of my
Sicilian.
favorite places in Sicily, not as a tourist attraction, but where we stayed in a town called Bagheria outside of Palermo was like a dream. Right on the sea. Absolutely beautiful. The whole family was there together. So
3 generations, ladies and gentlemen. I love to see that 3-generation family. Ken, remind me where in Sicily you're from.
My grandparents are from, grandmother and grandmother both are from a town called Sciarra, which is in the province of Palermo, close to Montemaggiore, which my great-great-great-grandparents are from. So this was on my bucket list of something that I had to do before I checked out.
Well, how was stepping and walking on the streets your forefathers?
Was phenomenal. It was very emotional. I brought tears to my eyes, as it is a little bit right now. My grandfather or grandmother were very, very important to me and very instrumental in my life. So getting a chance to see where they lived and the streets that they walked was just something that I could not have wished for as much as that. It was just fantastic.
What are some of your memories of your grandparents?
They were there for us. I'd often tell my kids it's not like they took us to baseball games and that kind of stuff, but they were there. We lived with them for extended periods of time throughout our childhood, my brother and myself. So they were just super. And I had 3 spinster aunts that were like mothers to me. And that's my wife used to say, I've got to deal with 4 mothers over here.
So now you remember having Totò.
Yes.
I do, yes.
Totò is very typical here in Sicily. In this shop, they don't have it, but you're going to taste something very much like it. And while you do that, while you taste it, I want to hear about one of your favorite towns that you visited. And there's the inside of Rama de Napoli, but it's actually very similar to a Totò. So
Very dry, but excellent.
Yeah, the Totos. Because I finally.
Very similar to what my grandmother made, but my grandmother's had, I think, more cinnamon or cloves. I'm not sure exactly what was in it.
Yeah, there was a lot of.
nutmeg, maybe.
Also
Yeah.
cinnamon.
Yeah.
Cinnamon.
It was highly
This is
spiced.
close.
So what about one of your favorite towns? Name 2 or 3, maybe.
Oh my!
I know they're all running into each other.
Yeah, they are. You've seen so many churches, you forget. What is this Tuesday, and I'm supposed to be in Paris or whatever. But I would say that one of my favorite ones actually was Caltagirone, which we spent a day and a half there, and it was super. So the people were nice. Well, you get out of the cities, and it's like you're at home.
Yeah.
It was just fabulous.
Awesome. And here we are at Eden Bar in Acitrezza. So buon appetito. Grazie. Ciao.
Ciao.
Okay, next I want to go back to Catania, this time on a Sunday for the antique market. Very special, very unique as well. It's over there by the fish market. So this one over here that you just saw was behind Vincenzo Bellini, the statue of Vincenzo Bellini off of Via Etnea. This one is behind the Duomo as you enter the historic section of Catania. So it is here every Sunday. There are some fruit and vegetable. Very few fishermen selling fish on Sunday. But mainly it is a great collection of antiques, of art, of all types of things. Coins, stamps, just cool stuff. Check it out. '1916. Storia del fascism. Attenzione. Story of the resistance, 1943 to 45. Wait a sec, slow. Huh. These are true treasures, really true treasures. Looking at these old pieces from a different era, really a different era. Definitely some very unique pieces. Buongiorno. Bellissimo. So when you come to these markets, of course you can barter. Francobollo. That's stamped in Italian. Let's see, Ruben has some money. E queste postcards. Look how beautiful these are. Old postcards. Questo è tutto italiano. Oh, there's the castle.
Sicilia.
Tutti Sicilia. That's the castle here, Castello Orsino. How cool is that? Here's the gate of Garibaldi. Saluti di Palermo. That is so cool. I just love collecting old things like this. The story of the kingdom of Sicily. Sicilian proverbs. Catania is all about these umbrellas.
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? So come on.
Buongiorno from Acitrezza. I'm here to get my haircut. This is the before and I'll show you the after, but also today, November 4th, you can see the wreaths up there, is Armed Forces and Unity Day to commemorate the end of World War I. So you'll see people, officers placing wreaths all over Italy. So there you go, a little bit history. This week has been busy with All Souls, All Saints Day, Unity Day, then we have San Martino, always something fun in Sicily. Busy here today.
Buongiorno.
I love these guys.
Buongiorno.
Today I don't have my camera, I'm using my phone.
Oggi look nuovo.
Look
per
novo?
Esther.
See?
Yes.
What are we gonna do?
Adesso togliamo via 20 anni. Vero?
Quanto?
20.
20 anni che...
C'è più giovane.
Oh, okay, he's gonna cut off 20 years off of my hair. Thank you.
Teenagers.
A teenager. Oh, that's so beautiful compliment. I've been coming here for 8 years. See, 8 years, can you imagine that? His son is in China with his wife e un nipote, vero?
Cina, sì.
Sì. One.
Beatrice.
There's Giovanna, that's her. That's his
Sì, lasci passare il
wife.
colore e dopo la facciamo.
And Giovanna, of course,
finisce
because San Giovanni Battista, we're in Acitrezza, that's the patron saint, so everyone is either Giovanni or Giovanna.
Nuovo look, hai visto che bello?
What do you guys think? Grazie, Domenico. There's even a little snow on Etna. Now I'm sitting here having a little macchiato, which is an espresso with a little bit of foam. That's my preferred coffee drink when I'm not at home. And I'm thinking about the next piece. And here's what I'm thinking of doing. 10 things that changed for me while living here in Sicily. And I'm putting together this list and obvious things like, you know, the change of diet and so forth, but some real fundamental things that changed for me, or I changed while living here in Sicily. So that's going to be a future episode. Alfred, if you're watching, I miss you so much. Can't wait to see you back here. He's in Boston visiting with family, and I'll be going as well pretty darn soon. And let's see, one more announcement. We decided to have a Carnevale, a Mardi Gras tour in February. It will be February 4th to 14th, and it will include all the must-sees or whatever you can do in the 10 days over here. Of course, Catania, Ortigia, Syracuse, and Etna towns, and also an Etna vineyard, the Sicilian Cart Museum, also one of the most popular stops. And then we're going to have Fat Tuesday in Acitrezza. We're going to have Mardi Gras there. It's going to be so much fun. The weather is great and the rates are lower, so look into it. It's not on our website quite yet, but message me and I'll send you information. And that's about it. That's the report from Sicily on this November. If you're still watching and it's Sunday, buona domenica. Thank you so much for joining us. And of course, we'll see you every Sunday at 4 p.m. Sicily time here on our channel. Arrivederci, ti voglio bene. Love you guys. Ciao.